Perimeter of triangle PST with PQ equals to 10 is, here PQ, this is a PQ, and PST we want, P, S and T, this perimeter we want. Okay, here PQ equals to PR. Why? Tangent from the same point outside the circle to the same circle are equal, right? Therefore both are 10 now. Okay, now PQ plus PR, PQ plus PR, see this, PQ plus PR, that is 20 now. Therefore 20 equals to, we'll break this PQ and PR. It will be, PQ is what? PS plus SQ, right? And PR is what? PT plus TR, right? Check this. Therefore PS plus PT, we'll separate these now. PS and PT together and SQ and TR together. Why? SQ and TR means what? See here. Same, again the same logic, tangent it comes in picture. So PS plus PT as it is. Now convert this SQ to SU. Why? Because tangent from a point outside the circle to the same circle are congruent. So SQ equals to SU and TR equals to TU. Same logic, right? So convert this SQ to SU and TR to UT, right? So what we get? SU plus UT. But what is SU plus UT? ST, right? Therefore PS plus PT as it is plus ST equals to 20. But what is that? PS plus PT plus ST, perimeter of triangle PST. So that's what is required. So that's the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, test,